In the morning, I issued a statement to the effect that the change from the original program is going to be that Rufaro will continue today, and tomorrow we're no longer going to Zimba today. Okay? Zimba had been now slated for Sunday at Murombet's growth point for Mashonaland West Province to say goodbye to the president. That is his home province. And there just been discussions between the President Mnangagwa and Mugabe, and it would look like nothing has changed from the press release that I gave in the morning. So I'm open to take questions.
So does this mean the family wants to go ahead and bury him in Zimba?
No, the family had never announced the fact that they were going to bury him in Zimba. The family only had said they were going to have a private burial.
But a private can't be at the hero sake, right?
Private burial, yeah?
Can you elaborate on that?
What do you mean elaborate?
Where,
they don't want the public to come.
Where and on which day will the former president be buried?
They don't want you to know. They don't want you to know where he's going to be buried.
Whose day?
So is he going to be buried as a chief? Is that what you are saying? Because that usually happens with traditional chiefs. Is that...
This man is clever. You have asked your question and answered it yourself.
So, Mr. Mugabe, what's the main delay?
There's no delay.
So he will be buried on Sunday?
No, I didn't say that.
Mr. Mugabe, so this means that heads of state won't have the opportunity to bury their convent, for instance.
No, of course not.
Won't have that opportunity.
No, they will have an opportunity to pay their condolences, view their colleague. That's it.
So Sunday is no longer burial day.
It was never burial day.
The government announced that it was.
But the government cannot announce on behalf of the family. I announce on behalf of the family.
Mr. Mugabe, thank you very much. Just one last part. What is happening on Sunday? Are we witnessing the burial?
No, we are not witnessing the burial on Sunday. What is supposed to happen on Sunday is that we are supposed to go to Murombet's growth point for the people of Zimba, Mashonaland West to pay their last respects.
Mr. Mugabe, don't you think the world would like to see the funeral of Robert Mugabe?
I'm sure. You know, me too. I would love the world to see his funeral, but it's not my decision.
But why are you not allowing the world to see the funeral
It's not
of
me.
a great icon?
It's not me. They can see him. You know, we have 3 days of body viewing. Today in Rufaro, tomorrow at Rufaro, Saturday at the National Sports Stadium. The world can see. All these cameras can take those pictures.
So which
Is
day
there a
will he
feud
be
between
buried?
the family and the government? Is there some sort of misunderstanding?
There's no misunderstanding.
Then what is going on? Because they seem
The family is the one that makes the decision and tells the government what the family wants to do. Okay? So there's no feud between us and the government. Right now, if I were you, I would go and take pictures to the chiefs while...
We're not allowed in.
No, they're outside, they're up there.
We've been prevented
So which day?
No, you don't go
Which
inside.
day is set for
You
burial?
don't go inside. They're at the corner there. All the chiefs, the Zimba people are deliberating in that corner. They are the people who might have the last decision.
Which day is set for the burial?
No day is set for burial. Thank you very much.